150 years of shaping weather, saving lives. Now, let's take a ride in their history. In early 19th century, under the British rule in India, the need for meteorological monitoring was felt for the country as a whole and East India in particular, as it was prone to severe weather hazards such as cyclone, flood, drought, thunderstorm, lightning, etc. The first meteorological observatory of India was set up in Calcutta year 1829. In 1852, Radhanath Sikdar, chief computer at the Survey of India, was given additional charge as Superintendent of Observatory, Calcutta. Asiatic Society formed in 1784 by Sir William Jones, acting on a proposal from Colonel Strachey. It appointed a meteorological committee in April 1857. In August 1874, H.F. Blandford was appointed as the first imperial meteorological reporter to the Government of India. Immediately on landing in Bombay on the 15th of January 1875, he took up the post. This date is considered as the inception of India Meteorological Department. The Central Observatory at Calcutta, Alipur, established on the 1st of April 1877, and took over the work of meteorological observations from the said office at Park Street, where the work was maintained since 1835. The India Meteorological Department had no building of its own for its central office. A building was constructed in the compound of Alipur Observatory and the India office was shifted to this building from the 1st of November 1899. All these events led to establishment of the observatory at Alipur, which in fact allowed IMD to provide the first forecast regarding rainfall as part of a daily weather report in 1884. Dr. S.K. Banerjee joined as meteorologist on the 11th of April 1922 in Calcutta, who became first Indian head of the department. Professor P.C. Mahalanobis joined in November 1922 in Calcutta. Sir Gilbert Walker developed techniques for seasonal forecasts for the monsoon. Analyzing vast amount of weather data from India and rest of the world, he described the great seesaw oscillation of atmospheric pressure between Indian and Pacific Ocean. The term, Walker circulation, was coined in 1969 by the Jacob Bjerknes in recognition of Walker's work on southern oscillation phenomenon. Nobel laureate in literature Rabindranath Tagore visited and stayed at Alipur Observatory Guest House as a guest of P.C. Mahalanobis in at least 6 occasions, and the total stay was around 87 days. That guest house has been transformed into a museum in memory of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore. Muktodhara, the Rabindra Open Air Theatre. Let us now have a look at the weather monitoring and forecasting services of IMD, RMC Kolkata. The Global Observing System is a vast and complex network that collects data from across the planet to understand and predict weather, climate, and environmental conditions. A Doppler radar product is very useful for precise monitoring and nowcast of severe weather. On the right we can see how the Doppler radar products can be used to track the movement of severe weather. Currently, 2 more Doppler weather radar stations are being built up in Malda and Diamond Harbour. Satellite images and various satellite-derived products. Satellite products during Cyclone Remal. Forecasting services provided by IMD, RMC Kolkata. From predicting monsoon patterns to ensuring safe air travel, IMD provides vital information for a wide range of sectors. Forecasting ranges vary from immediate nowcasting to long-term climate predictions, aiding in everything from short-term emergency responses to long-term climate adaptation strategies. As we can see, cyclonic vulnerability is very high for South 24 Parganas and East Medinipur districts, and high for North 24 Parganas and Kolkata districts. As we can see here, cyclone wind hazard is very high for North and South 24 Parganas, Kolkata, East Medinipur, West Medinipur and Jhargram districts. For severe cyclonic storm Dana, track and intensity forecast issued on the formation of depression on the 22nd of October, 3 days ahead of landfall, indicating accuracy in track, landfall point, time and intensity forecast. For supercyclone Amphan, observe track and forecast track with cone of uncertainty and quadrant wind distribution based on 0600 UTC on the 17th of May, 84 hours prior to landfall, indicating accuracy in landfall, track and intensity predictions. Heavy rainfall. Thundersquall, Kalbaishakhi warning. Lightning warning. Heat wave warning. Fog warning. Hailstorm warning. Forecasting service provided for the entire Bay of Bengal through an integrated framework with the help of decision support system. Present weather condition, its tendency and warnings for severe weather hazard are very important for safety of aviation service including takeoff, landing, en route journey etc. Hydromet and flood meteorological services are provided for the major river basins, which affect the state of West Bengal. Flash flood bulletins were also issued for southern districts of South Bengal during Cyclone Ramal. Agromet Advisory Services issues bi-weekly bulletin for West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Various tools are used on daily basis for automation. Multiple modes of communication is established for dissemination of services. Common Alert Protocol is one such medium for large-scale dissemination. SMS delivered during Cyclone Ramal through CAP in West Bengal 223,013,945. Large number of visitors including disaster managers, teachers and students from various school, colleges, universities etc. visit RMC Kolkata every year as part of their awareness, disaster management, scientific exposure, internship programs. Continuous interaction with stakeholders and media through workshops to get their feedback, assess the usefulness of IMD services from stakeholders' point of view and further improvement to deliver the desired services. Visit of dignitaries. Memorandum of Understanding with academic institutions.